Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to design an ebook cover on Canva easily. So what you want to do is to go to the Canva app or the website version, and once you're on the page, click on more. You can see this list of icons, this horizontal list of icons. Click on the more option and it should bring you to a page like this. Then what you have to do is to scroll down to marketing and promotion. Yes, you can see this marketing and promotion section. You will see other samples that you can create: banner, wine label, campaign. So but since we are looking for book cover, we click on the book cover. So once you click on a book cover, you will see a page like this, and then you can either create a new book cover, or you can choose from the templates by your left. So you can see this is the journey by someone. So you can see past books. Now you can choose a similar book cover, or let's say one strikes you, you can choose them. And okay, I think I like this. So you can choose, you can now edit this particular book cover to your preference. Let me change this to Victor Mendes. Good. So this is how to create and edit your book cover on Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much and do have a great day.